Have you ever wondered if you can earn free money? The answer is yes, you can. And the best part is, you can do it without any effort, without any experience, and without any time spent. We're going to show you how today that you can earn free cash just by clicking. In fact, you can make $1,357 every single day. Yeah, you heard that right. You don't need any technical skills or any prior experience. Even an absolute beginner can benefit from my unique methods. Stay to the end of the video because I'll show you how. There are a number of different ways that you can make money online. The easiest is through the pay-per-click model. All you have to do is click your mouse button and cash will be deposited right into your account. Here are the best, legit pay-per-click platforms that you can use. Number 1. Google AdSense. Over the years, Google has developed a model that is perhaps the most popular. But keep in mind that it may not be the highest paying. That said, Google AdSense is the most well-known and biggest ad network on the internet. With PPC advertising, ads will be displayed on your website and you'll be paid whenever someone clicks on them. Companies are paying Google and other PPC ad network providers to advertise through their ad network. Google then automatically chooses relevant sites within their network on which to place their ads. This could be your website. The ads that Google will display on your website will depend on a variety of different factors and will fluctuate depending on the industry and topic of that page. Number 2. Neobucks. Neobucks functions a bit differently compared to other websites out there. When you sign up for Neobucks, you choose a certain membership plan. This determines how much money you make per click, how many ads you see, and the quality of the ads presented. With the free standard Neobucks membership, you can earn around 0.015 per link click and ad you view. While this starting amount is relatively low, Neobucks does not have a limit on how many ads you can view or links you can click. If you would like to earn more, you can upgrade your membership. A gold membership costs $90 a year and allows you to earn a little extra per click. Still, Neobucks can be useful considering it has a low payout amount. You only need to earn $2 to cash out. The tricky thing is that Neobucks does not use typical cash-out programs like PayPal. Instead, they use either Skrill or NetTeller, so you'll need an account with either of these to earn. Number 3. Scarlet Clicks. Scarlet Clicks is another viable option for an easy way to earn money online. Like Neobucks, they have a minimum payout of $2. Luckily, they offer a wider range of payout services. You can use anything from Skrill, Payeer, or even Bitcoin. You can earn money through Scarlet Clicks in a couple of different ways. They offer to pay you for clicking links to ads, completing online forms, and even referring friends. You can make around 0.01 or 1 cent per click. Plus, you can earn up to 100% of your referrals' earnings. In order to start earning with them, you need to select a membership plan. The plan you choose determines the amount you can withdraw each time. With the standard plan, you can withdraw around $5 each time. However, with the higher plans, you can extract anywhere from $10 to $50, depending on what you pay for. All in all, the payout isn't bad considering they have paid out nearly $2 million to their 77,000 members. Number 4. GPT Planet. GPT Planet, as the name suggests, is a get paid to site that offers loads of options to make a little extra. The site pays you 1 cent per click on ads or by taking part in surveys and filling out online forms. Beyond this, GPT Planet also offers an affiliate program. Through this, you get paid for recommending the site to people you know. The amount you receive is based on how well they perform. The nice thing about GTP Planet is that it's free to join and it has a low minimum payout. You can cash out when you reach $1 via Skrill, NetTeller, Airtm, Payeer, and Bitcoin. And that's it for today. If you like this video, do watch our next video about making easy money online. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.